Hi everyone. Today I am going to share with you a simple and delicious recipe for making bread at home. In a large bowl, mix 2 cups of sifted atta flour and half cup of sifted plain flour. Now add a half cup of oil followed by 1 tablespoon of yeast. This will help the dough rise and give it a nice texture. Add salt to taste. Next we are going to add a half cup of yogurt and a half cup of warm milk. These ingredients will make the dough soft and moist. Mix everything until you have a smooth and elastic dough. You may need to add more flour or milk if the dough is too sticky or dry. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rise in warm place for about an hour or until it doubles in size. Shape the dough in an oval shape and garnish using egg white. You can use a brush or your fingers, depending on how messy you want to get. Egg white will give your bread a nice shine. Top it off with sesame seeds, sprinkle them generously over the egg white coated dough. Sesame seeds will add some crunch and flavor to your bread and also make it look more fancy. Cover and let it rise again before baking. This helps the dough develop more air bubbles and flavor. Bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. Turn off and now use the upper grill to bake the top of the bread until light brown. Cover and let it cool. Enjoy your delicious homemade bread and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Unless you burned it, then you can just pretend it was a science experiment and write a report on how not bake bread. Or just laugh it off and order some pizza instead.